Hi, we've missed you. In this new video you will learn everything about the dashboard icon on the left side of the Twnel Chat Manager. This icon will be only available to super admins. The reason behind this is that only super admins, which are normally other agents' supervisors, have the ability to determine working capacity of agents and assign conversations to those with lower working loads. To get started, click on the dashboard icon on the left side of your screen. Once you click on it, you will see a list of conversations or use the filter to find the one you are interested in. Remember that this dashboard shows you past conversations, current conversations, and conversations pending, which means no agents have taken the conversation and you might assign it to one. You can also use this filter to search for conversations based on tags such as region. On the bottom right side, you will find a list of all the online agents that are available to take conversations. On the right side of the agent's name, a number will show the conversations being attended by each agent, so you can evaluate the team's capacity to take on new chats. This dashboard will allow your supervisors understand in real time the operation and make important decisions in terms of staffing and service times that will allow your company to succeed. Don't forget to watch the rest of the videos where I teach you how to use Twnel. See you.